Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the hardware and software. Get the keyboard powered and connected via USB or Midi. Once connected, open Cubase 5 and create a new empty project so you work in a clean environment. Now go to Device's Device Setup, add or select your Midi interface, and enable its input and output ports. Do this first because Cubase needs an active device to map channels and low-latency monitoring. Otherwise, you can't hear or record Midi properly. Now focus on routing and monitoring so Midi notes reach a sound source. Create an instrument track or a Midi track with a VSD instrument loaded in the rack, and in the inspector set the Midi input to your keyboard's port and the output to the chosen VSD. Make sure the channel matches or set input to all Midi for simplicity. Then enable record and input monitor. Adjust audio buffer size for low latency play. Test by playing keys to confirm the VSD responds and notes record correctly. Finish by saving a project template so you don't repeat setup steps. Include device setup, the instrument rack, and buffer settings. If you don't hear Midi, systematically troubleshoot. Check cables and power, confirm drivers are up to date, and verify the keyboard sends on the same Midi channel Cubase is listening to. Use the Midi monitor in Cubase to see incoming messages. If problems persist, try another USB port, reboot Cubase and your interface, and then re-enable the ports. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.